Hello, Internet peoples. So check this out. Let me change something right quick. I'm gonna make this left, and then tab over here and start clicking stuff. And it updated while running in about 3 seconds. So let me undo that and change a color. And start clicking over here. And notice it's animating, and while it's animating, the view updates. So what's going on here? So there is an auto-build process that's running, that's watching for this file to change. And when it changes, it runs the AoHotView builder thing, which takes about 3 seconds to run. And all you have to do to use it is add 1.5 lines of code to your app, replacing a normal view with a wrapper that has that normal view inside of it and listens for all the update events, and then build and compile and install your app. So this app, for example, takes about 43 seconds to build normally, but when you are using AoHotView, it only takes about 3 seconds to update the view each time you change anything. So let me change something again because it's fun. Change that to a 2, tab over here, click around, wake up emulator, and bam, there you go. And that's it.